Here's a 7-inch scratch. It's too long to touch up accurately with a touch-up brush. So we'll choose a matching color off of our color deck here. The paint formula calls for 18 drops of silver 6 and 2 drops of silver 5. We'll dab the paint along the arc of the scratch. And here I'll use a squeegee to squeegee the paint into the scratch, and I'll take my time to make sure that the paint completely fills the scratch. And now I'll use paint leveler, which is our excess paint remover, to clean up the excess paint around the scratch. And now I'll follow up with more paint leveler. I'm going to wet one of these blue shop towels, and I'll just quickly rub over the scratch, and layer by layer I'm going to remove the paint that's on top of the scratch, but I can control how fast I'm removing the excess paint, and I'll stop once I've removed all the paint except for the good paint, which fills the scratch. I can see that I left a cloud of paint over the repair area that I need to clean up here. So if we look closely from a distance of 3 inches, we can see the touch-up paint. But if we back up to a more normal viewing distance of 8 inches, we simply can't see the paint. So here's the scratch prior to the repair, and once we've repaired it with the squeegee, we've laid a very tight line of touch-up paint that can't be seen from a normal distance.